As a beginner, loops or for loops specifically are very confusing. So in this video, we'll show you how to run for loops in C++ programming. By the way, good day mga kolokoy. So in this channel, we will discuss many programming languages. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. So let's create a program using for loop. Sharp include string. Control S for loop.cpp. Let's save. Using namespace std main. Okay, let's run this program. Build. So to check if there is an error, run. Okay, the program is running. So we should consider printing a simple print cout. I'm sorry, I am late. I will not do it again. And L. Okay. Okay, let's run, build. Okay, then run. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm late. I will not do it again. So what if you are tasked to print it 5 times? So it's very simple. Just copy this, then paste it 5 times. Enter. Okay, then build and run. Okay, it print 5 times. What if 100? So copy, then we have 10. Copy this, 20, 30. Then copy 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So then you build and run. Okay, so if you will count this, so it will print I'm sorry, I'm late, I will not do it again 100 times. So how to reduce the code? So we will use a for loop for this. Okay, so let's delete this. So in just 3 lines of code, so you can print this line 100 times. Okay, so the solution is we use for loop. In order to print those 100 I'm sorry, I'm late. So we will use a for loop. So the for loop for then int I is equals to 0. So we initialize the value of I is equals to 0. Then I is less than 5. For example, we'll print 5. Then the iteration I plus plus. Then open. No, just copy this. Cut. Okay, so let's build and run. Okay, so the program will print 5. I'm sorry, I'm late. So if you want to create 100, so 100, you change the 5 to 100, then build and run. Okay, so if you count this is a 100. I'm sorry, I'm late. So I will explain the parts of the for loop. So for loop consists of initialization, the value of the starting point, because the I here is not constant. It is changing. It is a dynamic variable, which you see here the condition. So if I is less than 100, the loop will always print this until the value here becomes false. The loop will end or stop. The looping process will stop. Here is the iteration. So I plus plus means every time the loop runs, the value of I here will iterate. So let's see how the value of I changes. So we will print the value of I. So NL cout I. Nagawa lang. Build and run. Okay, as you see here, zero. So the loop starts from 0 because it is because you initialize the int as 0. So that's why from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because here the value of I iterates means you are adding 1. I plus plus means every time the loop will run, you add it by 1. So this is what happens: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until you go to 99. Okay? Until 99. So if you have more questions, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please like. Thank you.